Hello Sonocito Tigers. Today we'll be showing you how to make chocolate covered strawberries. These are the ingredients that you will need. Strawberries, a cup, whatever chocolate you want to use, and baking sheets. First, what you will do is wash the strawberries until they are completely clean. Next, dry the strawberries with a towel or napkin so that the chocolate can stick to the strawberries. Next, add the chocolate in a cup and put it in the microwave and heat it up until it becomes silky smooth. Now, dip the strawberries into a cup and let them sit on the baking sheets. Now you can drizzle the chocolate on the strawberries with any pattern you like. And you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make chocolate covered strawberries, and that is all for today. From Tiger Media Network, this is Edgar Arias and Michelle Novello.